Alright, I have another product in the Interesting Paint series. This is it. It's called Mirror, and I wasn't actually expecting it to be this small. This was $45 shipped, this little thing. So quite expensive. My plan is to... Oh, is it spray? No. I don't know. Yeah, this little thing was $45. There's not much in here, and it's very small. So I don't know how far this is going to go. It might not go as far as I want it to, but my plan is to attempt to turn my white mug into a mirror mug. I don't plan on drinking out of this, by the way, just before you freak out. It's just going to be an ornament, a mirror mug. But I should also say that I am a complete amateur when it comes to this kind of thing. I'm not skilled in any way when it comes to painting, so if you are watching this and you have painted before or have any kind of experience with paint in any way, you'll, I'm sure, have a better outcome that I'm about to have with this. So bear that framing in mind. Weird. It looks just like a little mirror in there. Wow, that's kind of weird. It's almost like Mercury or something like that. Very impressed so far. I'm going to put something down so I don't get this all over the table. This is cool. I'm digging this. Gotta say, painting this is actually really satisfying. It has really good sort of coverage, so it doesn't take much to just cover up completely the layer below. Just like one swipe, basically. So it's quite satisfying, and it's going quite quick, which is, I suppose, quite a relief, because otherwise I definitely wouldn't have enough of this. It honestly looks like a metal mug, which I'm guessing is what people are going to think. I'm now realizing this is probably quite dangerous to like leave around, because I'm sure you don't want to put hot liquid into this and then drink out of it. So I might have to destroy it at some point, or at least like put a little message on it, because it just looks metal. It really does just look metal. Considering I just kind of did a pretty hodgepodge job of painting this on there, the effect is quite good. Ooh, it really does look like a mirror mug. And I have roughly half of this mirror paint left for something else in the future. Perfect. You can see my jazz hands. That's how good the mirror is. It really is pretty good. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. This video was brought to you by DeadeyeClub.com, makers of the Wishbone EDC Slingshot. Head over there now and consider picking up their $100 Mischief Kit, which includes everything you need to start shooting a slingshot. The Wishbone itself, 3 replacement band sets, and some ammo. It's the most fun you can have for $100, and you'll be supporting the channel.